Here goes nothing, I guess. What's up, you guys? It's TheAvaMansouri. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I said channel in an accent, like channel. Today we're doing something very stupid. How stupid could it be, Ava? As long as you don't touch your beautiful, natural, luxurious hair that took you so long to grow out after years of bleaching and dyeing and relaxing. How bad could this decision be, Ava, if it doesn't involve your hair? Have I got a treat for you? I am gonna be bleaching my hair. Let's just cut right to it. That's what's gonna be happening today. I mean, is this indicative of a mental health issue? Yeah, obviously. In all honesty, I am gonna be cutting my hair, so it doesn't really matter at this point anyways, does it? I don't know if I'm trying to convince you or myself. So on TikTok, you've seen all these girls, they dye their front 2 strands of their hair. And I thought, hey, this might be a good idea. I mean, they look kind of cute. They're looking stylish. They're looking young. They're looking fresh. How bad can a 22-year-old college dropout really screw this up? Let's find out, shall we? Since it's only the 2 front strands of my hair, it's not that much hair to be dyeing and bleaching anyways. I can always dye it back black, and I do actually want to get my bangs trimmed, so it shouldn't matter that much. Again, don't know who I'm trying to convince. So I logged onto Amazon, as I always do, and I picked up this Manic Panic Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit. Just the packaging looks intense. I might bleach my hair, I might have a stroke, who knows? Also, in spirit of Valentine's Day, I thought that we would do this little look pink. Now this is a light bubblegum pink. You can see it matches my Valentine's Day nails. Cute AF, right? I will definitely have to get a lot of color out of my hair to get this even to show up, I'm sure. And a little fun tidbit to mention, I've never done this before. Not that that's relevant, not that you need experience at all, but I'm a grown woman, so it's like, I can do this if I want to. And I'll just deal with what my mom thinks later, I guess. We're just stalling at this point, so let's go ahead and get into the bleaching. Oh my God. Let's see. Bring the enclosed clothes piece into the glass. Avoid inhaling powder. I didn't inhale. I just lightly sniffed. Empty the full contents of the bleach powder into the plastic tub provided. Here is the plastic tub. So yeah, I'm just gonna do what this says. I do think that you're supposed to be wearing gloves, but YOLO. So they were serious about this stuff being bad to inhale. Now I'm gonna take this developer and pour it in. Developer is just basically what I like to call go-go juice for bleach. Cause it makes it go-go, the forbidden yogurt. So this is a lot, which is fine because I might need to go over my hair a couple times with the bleach. Just because it is so dark, I got some on my hand and it does burn. That's weird. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up. Jeez, I am bad at this. Oh, now it's starting to smell like a hair salon in here. I'm pretty sure if it's chunky, that means don't put it in your hair. We're gonna pretend that never happened. While we let that sit for 1 minute, we are gonna section off our hair. Honestly, I don't know how hard I wanna go with this. Like, I'm thinking this is even too much. Maybe half? I scratched my cornea with the bleach finger. That cannot be good. As the blood vessels break in this eye, we're gonna continue sectioning off the hair. See, now this I think is even too small, but it's like, I can always go bigger, you know? Yeah, let's just do a small one. I've already hurt myself enough today. Okay guys, so I'm officially doing these 2 strands of hair. I'm just gonna tie the rest of it back so it doesn't get in the way. Okay, I'm only slightly losing vision in this eye, so let's continue. I've seen at salons before they do this, and I want to feel like the salon, but right now I kind of feel like a gyro. Wait a minute. We don't even have to do 2 separate things. I don't know why I'm doing that. We can just do 1, right? I almost made that too complicated for myself. Now I guess we just paint it on. They say you're supposed to wear a shirt that you don't care about. The more that I think about it, if I were to be a shirt, I would be the shirt that people wear when they're dyeing their hair or painting the house, like the one that they don't care about. Like, I'm the hair dye t-shirt of people. I might not be the prettiest, but I'm there for you. And I know everything. Do you think you can lie to your hair dye t-shirt? Nuh-uh. She knows you're not a natural blonde, baby. Okay, so let's just do this. I mean, this does not seem practical at all. That bleach is really going on there. You know what? I think I just might need to put the gloves on here and then really work it into my hair. That was underwhelming. I feel so stupid right now. This is why I'm single on Valentine's Day. All right, let's get this out of here. Let's just try it. Let's just pick up a heap and load of product and then work it in. Just can't imagine that's the right way to do it. But here we go. I mean, it's in there. The bleach is in there. Ooh, it's on my forehead. Okay. I mean, is this enough bleach? Oop, there it goes. Getting on the Ava t-shirt. So this did not go as planned whatsoever. So I colored outside the lines a little bit. No big, no big. We're just gonna seal this baby up. Ah! That was not the right way to do it, huh? Good thing I brought a backup. So it is severely burning my forehead. So now we've made an incredible mess. I've cleaned up as much as I can. Now I guess we wait about 20 minutes to see if the color is lifted. So yeah, I'll see you in like 20 minutes. Don't be shy, put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more. No, it's okay, don't be shy, put some more.
You can tell that this is getting like orange. So right off the bat, I'm thinking I might need to do a second layer coat. I don't know, I might need to do it a second time. But we still have a couple of minutes left on this, so we'll see. And I didn't even need to get it on my forehead because it came with this little cap thing. Oh, now I think it's about time to take it off. I don't think I'm going to need to do it twice. See, this is what I mean by I don't think that I'm gonna need to do it twice because look how blonde it is. It looks pretty blonde all the way throughout. I'm gonna need to do this a second time, kind of at the bottom because you can see it's still dark. I am gonna rinse this out and I'm gonna do the bottom part again. That sure feels stringy. Looking at this in different lighting and also when it's dry, I can tell that I definitely want to do even the top part again a little bit. I now see that the reason that there's like a clear line of demarcation right here is because I did dye my hair black right about here. You can tell all of this is like my virgin hair and then here is where I dyed it black. So I'm just gonna do another full thing of this, maybe not for as long, but definitely just to get it a little bit lighter so that the color pops a little bit more. Here we go again in with the bleach for the second time. I kind of have a different approach now, combing with one hand to really get it in the strands and then I'm just kind of smoothing it out with the other. Don't know if that's a professional tactic, but these ends are really what's gonna just take the real beating. Now I think I want to put it back in the foil.
Tell me not to dye the two front pieces of my hair like an e-girl, because I'll do it.
I'm making a TikTok. All right, second layer on. We're gonna wait for a couple more minutes. I think maybe only 10 this time. Okay, so now it is about that time. Let's see if this really worked. Okay, not bad. Let's wash this out and dry it to make a final decision. Now that it's dry, when I hold it out like this, you can see that up here where my virgin hair is, it bleached very nicely. It took most of the color out, and then where my hair was dyed before, it didn't. As you can see, it's like light, dark, medium for some reason. Actually, we know the reason. It's because Ava did it at home. I was gonna bleach it again, but then I thought that I didn't want to lose my hair today. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go right in with the pink over top of this. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this punky color, bubblegum pink, semi-permanent conditioning hair color. Let's just go ahead and paint this on. Oh, it even smells, oh, I was gonna say it smells like bubblegum, but it smells like medicine, like kids medicine, grape flavored medicine. Ugh, I really don't see color going into this. Maybe a glob will do it. Oh my god, I really just don't see this covering the dark pieces of hair. I think we might have a Neapolitan ice cream situation going on. Maybe it'll like brighten, but like I don't even see it covering the light orange that I made. This might turn out worse than I thought. soft. It really does feel like conditioner, which is why this is tripping me out. It's like confusing me. I honestly might have to buy box dye after this just to go back to my natural color and forget that this even happened. I just kind of wish that the pink was like very bright. When you look at it in the container, it looks pretty bright. It's just like a very conditioner-y consistency, so it's not like opaque. I really do like hope it darkens though and it looks better because I really want this to work. But I think my hair needs to be very, very blonde to do it. I just got a notification that my grocery pickup is ready, but there's just no way I can go out in public looking like this. So I left the house like this. Luckily, I didn't even need to get out of the car since I was just picking up. They just put it in my back seat. But I did get a very weird look while signing for everything. So on another note, this looks horrible. It doesn't look like it's bleaching anymore, but we'll rinse it out when we get home. And now for the moment of truth. Looking at it, it's actually coming out nicer than I thought it would. But let's give it a rinse and see how the final product looks. So it really didn't do much, or at least I can't tell now that it's wet. I'm just honestly glad to have that grape smell out of my hair. It made me want to legit throw up. It really doesn't look like it did much though, honestly. For the most part, it was just kind of like a fun colored conditioner. Let's wait to see how this dries though for the final verdict. It's honestly way more of an orange than it is a pink, but it's definitely not like the orange that it was when I first dyed it. It definitely has more of like a pinkish hue. I would say kind of like rose gold, but it's definitely not this bubblegum pinky color that I thought it was gonna be. But the subtleness of it, honestly, it's kind of a vibe. Yeah, I think this is kind of cute. So I guess that wasn't like the biggest waste of my time, but I am definitely like yearning for my hair to go back to what it was. I think I might actually go over this again with like the pink, but again, yeah, like completely different outcome than I hoped for, but I'm not that mad. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below what you think of this. Is this like TikTok e-girl enough? I think to really go e-girl, I think I'm gonna have to do like a blue or a red, especially like a more vibrant like blue or purple, I think would show up really nice on this. But yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow all my social media. I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year. Let me know if you guys like this and what color you want to see next. And I will see you guys in a new video soon. Bye!